Here we have a rear backhoe unit. I think it came off of the 530 case backhoe. It's in pretty decent shape. The cylinders look good. It's not all busted up in here anywhere. The boom looks good. The only place I see where they've added any kind of welding to it, they must have had an attachment or something where they had to lift stuff every once in a while. They have welded these to it, but they didn't weld it to it. It doesn't appear because of any structural damage. It looks like they just did it for another function. You know, this main cylinder looks real good. Just a pretty decent old backhoe. You know, a lot of these are all broke up, so if somebody's got a 530, or I think this, you guys probably tell me, but I think this will fit a 580 as well, is what I'm guessing. So, but I know it is off of a 530 case backhoe, and I'm sure someone could possibly make this a 3-point and put it on a tractor if they so desired. But it is in good shape. It's a heavy-duty unit, and it's got the 3-stick controls here, and then this flips over and you got your seat. Hoses are got a few little cracks in the outside there, but I don't see any oil dripping out of them, so all that stays up good. It'd be a decent unit for somebody. And of course your swing is here on your pedals, left and right swing for the backhoe.